Creating an Amazon affiliate account allows you to earn commissions by promoting and referring customers to products on Amazon. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create an Amazon affiliate account in 2023. Visit the Amazon Associates website. Go to the Amazon Associates website by entering www.affiliate-program.amazon.com in your web browser. Sign in with your Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in using your existing credentials. If you don't have an Amazon account, click on the Create Your Amazon Account button and follow the prompts to set up a new account. Provide your account information. Once you're signed in, you'll be asked to provide information about your account. This includes your name, address, and payment information. Make sure to enter accurate and up-to-date details. Describe your website or mobile app. On the next page, you'll be prompted to provide information about the website or mobile app where you plan to promote Amazon products. Describe the content, niche, and target audience of your platform. If you don't have a website or app yet, you can select the option for I don't have a website or mobile app and explain how you plan to drive traffic to Amazon. Enter your preferred store ID. Choose a unique and memorable store ID, which will be a part of your referral links. This store ID is typically based on your website or app name. It helps track your commissions and allows you to create branded affiliate links. Explain how you drive traffic and monetize. Provide details on how you plan to drive traffic to Amazon and monetize your website or app. Explain your marketing strategies, such as content creation, SEO, social media, email marketing, or any other methods you intend to use to promote Amazon products. Select your Amazon Associates account preferences. Choose your account preferences, such as your desired tracking ID format, default language, and the Amazon programs you wish to participate in. For example, you can choose to promote Amazon products in specific countries or join additional advertising programs. Verify your phone number. Amazon will send a verification code to the phone number you provided during the account setup process. Enter the code in the designated field to confirm your phone number. Read and agree to the operating agreement. Carefully read the Amazon Associates operating agreement, which outlines the terms and conditions of the program. Once you have reviewed it, click on the checkbox to confirm that you agree to the terms. Start using your Amazon affiliate account. Congratulations! Your Amazon affiliate account is now created. You can access your account dashboard, generate affiliate links, track your earnings, and explore various tools and resources provided by Amazon Associates to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. Remember to comply with Amazon's guidelines and policies when promoting products as an affiliate. Familiarize yourself with the operating agreement and best practices to ensure a successful and compliant affiliate marketing experience. Happy promoting and earning commissions as an Amazon affiliate!